Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angie Flemings and welcome to this video. Now as you can see by the title, this is a tutorial on eyeshadows. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already done and sculpted. So now I'm gonna be prepping my eyes for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be telling you about the eyeshadow that I'm using, the concealer that I'm using to prime my eyes and why I'm choosing to use concealer. And we're gonna do just a 3-step eyeshadow process for beginners. Now let's get into this video. I brought you guys closer. As you can see, my eyebrows are all set and ready. And now we're gonna prime our eyes. And to prime my eyes, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition Concealer in the shade Toasted. And then I'm going to use the Airway High Definition Brush E103 to blend this out. You want to blend this out, but you also want to pat it. So you're not gonna be blending like you're putting on eyeshadow. You're gonna be patting your brush in and moving the makeup around just to make sure it covers everything. The reason I use concealer is because other eyeshadow primers that I've used, they crease up easily. But with concealer, after you're done putting it on, you can set it and it doesn't crease. Now with setting the concealer, you can use a shadow from your palette that you're gonna use, or you can use the powder from just any powder. You can use any powder that you like. The problem comes, now you have your powder. I'm just gonna set this. There you go. Now you don't want a lot of powder, because if you have a lot of powder, then when you put on your eyeshadow, you won't see any pigmentation on your powder. It'll just, you'll be brushing your eyeshadow away. They kind of contradict each other, because it's powder that you're setting your eyes with and you're using powder concealer. So too much of both, everything will just keep flying away. But the tackiness of concealer works so well as an eyeshadow primer, especially with the different colors, because if you're a darker skin tone, then you could use white to bring out those beautiful rainbow colors. Eyes are all primed and set and ready for eyeshadow. You can use any kind of palette that you'd want. It depends on the look that you want to create, the colors or whatever, but you can use any palette that you want. I'm just using this palette for now, but I'm using the Morphe 35N. And I'm going into, this purple shade right here. I'm gonna pat that. And I'm putting that in my crease. And when you're putting any eyeshadow in your crease, you want a thicker brush. So a brush like this is the kind of brush you would want. A little thick, not too thick, so that you can put the product in the crease of your eyes. We're gonna go in the outer corner. We're gonna go in this purple right here. This is the darker purple right here in the 35N. I'm gonna go with the same brush just so that I want a little bit of that color to help transition everything. Now we're just rubbing that in the outer corner. So what we're gonna do is you put color in your brush. You're gonna go up and down, like a diagonal down into your eye, just to pop off that dark color. And I'm only using the same brush so that it would blend out into the color without any harsh lines. And for the third color, I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Coffee and Cocoa palette. This is it right here. And I'm gonna be going into this beautiful color right here. And since it's a shimmer color, I'm going to be wetting my brush. So I have my Smashbox Primer Water right here. And I'm just spraying twice on both sides. And then you put your brush in the palette. And you put it. Ooh, that's nice. That's a nice color. Now I like using a flat top brush. Only because you can pack on the color and kind of create a shape that you want it in. And then you could get on top of your lashes, like that little line. You can get that. And now I'm gonna take the brush from earlier and I'm just gonna just blend around it. And there you go. You see her over there? She's in the room whenever I'm filming, like no matter what, she's in the room where I'm at. It's either hovering here or whining at the door. So I'd rather have her in here. Now I'm gonna fast forward to the rest of my face. Alright guys, that was the final look. What do you guys think? Was it doing it for you? Were you guys able to follow up with the tutorial? I think this is just a really nice simple look for beginners. I mean, all you really need is 3 colors for an eye look. You need a crease color, outer corner color, a lid color, and probably glitter or something sparkly, and it works. It just works. You just gotta know what colors to put together. And then later on I'll show you how to cut crease. I'll show you how to apply glitter on right. But this look, I enjoyed it. I would go out with this look. It's nice, it's simple with a little bit of nude lip, like nothing too extreme. The eyes aren't too extreme. They're just, I stayed with the purple theme just to not throw anybody off. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you. My dog over there, Kafera. Kafera over there thanks you for being in this video with us. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a wonderful time. I hope you learned a lot, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.